Welcome back to another tutorial on our YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to add external links to your YouTube channel on PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Step 2. Once you're in YouTube Studio, locate and click on the Customization tab, which is typically located on the left-hand side of the screen. Step 3. Within the Customization tab, you'll find various options related to your channel's appearance and settings. Look for and click on Basic Info to access the settings related to your channel's information. Step 4. Scroll down to the Links section and you'll find an option to Add Link. Click on it to add the external link you want to include on your YouTube channel. By following these simple steps, you can easily add external links to your YouTube channel on PC. This feature allows you to direct your viewers to your website, social media profiles, or any other relevant links. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful YouTube tips and tricks.